Here is the truth that most people never notice. Your life is being quietly shaped by one habit that slowly destroys your progress without you realizing it. It's called micro-quitting. Micro-quitting is when you don't fully quit something, but you also don't fully commit. You quit in small, invisible ways. You say, "I'll start tomorrow." You work, but only when you feel like it. You go to the gym, but skip half the exercises. You study, but your phone is in your hand. You start something, but you never finish it. You're not failing, but you're also not growing. You're stuck in the middle. And the middle is where dreams quietly die. Most people don't quit loudly. They quit silently, in small steps, in small excuses, in small moments. And the scariest part is this: you don't even notice it happening. Your brain listens to everything you do. Every small action sends a message. When you keep micro-quitting, your brain starts to believe, "I can't do this. I'm not consistent. I'm not capable. I will fail anyway." But when you choose micro wins, even tiny ones, your brain learns something else. I'm reliable. I finish what I start. I can grow. I keep my promises to myself. Success is not built on big victories. Success is built on small wins. Reading a few pages, 10 minutes of exercise, one new lesson learned, one distraction removed, one task completed. Small wins build identity. Identity builds discipline. Discipline builds your life. And here is the mindset shift that will change everything. You don't need a perfect day. You just need one non-negotiable win every single day, no matter how small. Motivation is temporary. Identity is permanent. When you stop micro-quitting and start micro-winning, your life doesn't change slowly. It changes shockingly fast. People will think you got lucky, but you will know the truth. You finally chose consistency over excuses, progress over perfection. You finally chose yourself, and your future will thank you for it. If this message reached your heart, start your first micro win today. Not tomorrow, not later, today.